Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide on crafting beautiful, durable cast stone pieces. Cast stone is a sophisticated cement-based material, often used as a cost-effective alternative to natural cut stone. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, from designing and creating your mold to the final finishing profile. Let's get started. The foundation of any great cast stone product is a precise and robust mold. This process begins with a detailed design of the final piece. Molds are typically made from materials like timber, plaster, or high-density rubber, depending on the complexity and the number of repetitions required. The most crucial element is the pattern, which is the exact inverse of your final product. We meticulously build this pattern, ensuring a perfectly smooth finish and correct dimensions. The higher the quality of your mold, the better your final casting will look. Once the mold pieces are complete, we move on to assembly and preparation. All mold sections must be secured tightly together. Now for the heart of the process, the cast stone mixture. This is a carefully formulated blend of white or gray cement, finely graded natural aggregates, and often mineral pigments for color. The mix ratio is essential for achieving the required strength and aesthetic. We measure all components, cement, aggregate, and water, to maintain absolute consistency from batch to batch. Cast stone typically uses a semi-dry, zero-slump consistency, meaning very little water. The resulting mix should be stiff, holding its shape without crumbling, and ready for compaction. This step is known as dry-tamping or hammering. It's what gives cast stone its incredible density and durability. We begin by placing a manageable layer of the mix into the mold. Using a pneumatic hammer, we apply firm, systematic pressure. The goal is to consolidate the material completely, eliminating any air pockets and forcing the cement particles and aggregates together. Now, it's time for demolding. This must be done carefully to avoid chipping the fresh stone. As the mold is removed, the beautiful raw texture of the cast stone piece is revealed. The final stage is finishing, or profiling. Despite the best molds, a piece often requires a little refinement. We use hand tools to carefully remove any seams or rough spots left by the mold joints. This is where a skilled artisan ensures the final look is perfect. The finished piece is then allowed to fully cure for the right time, achieving its maximum strength and enduring beauty. And there you have it, the complete process of creating a cast stone architectural element. The combination of precise molding, careful mixing, and thorough ramming results in a product of exceptional quality and timeless elegance. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos about the beauty of cast stone.